What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick little update. Started ripping apart the RX-7 yesterday and into today, and I came up with a conclusion of what I suspected was the problem of it being a cam or and a lifter, and it turns out it was. So here is the engine right now, completely tore down, heads off, lifters out, cams out. Everything. It's amazing how much smaller this all looks when there's nothing on the engine. But I'm going to show you a quick little something. So this is your typical, LS7 lifter. Nothing too crazy. Nice little roller on there. Not too much wear. They all pretty much look like this. Very little wear. Everything's in good shape, except for the one that goes right there. I guess that would be the, I don't know if it's the intake or exhaust side, but anyways, cylinder 7. Well, I pulled all the other lifters out, and they all looked great, except for this one wouldn't come out, and here is why. Ooh, good grief. Look at the carnage. I mean, we turned a roller lifter into a flat tappet. I don't know if you can see, if the camera will focus, but it is mushroomed out. Therefore, I was not able to pull it out from the bore, so I had to hold it in with some vice grips, and then when I removed the cam, I stuck a extendable magnet through the cam bores to try to catch it. Of course, I missed it and it went to the oil pan, but I was able to get up on top of the engine and pull it out through one of the holes. But then look at the same thing on the cam. All the lobe profiles look good except for, ooh, look at that one. Now it's not like super duper worn down, but I mean, where'd it go? There it is. You can definitely see it was, that's what was making our metallic sound and why we had a dead cylinder. So that sucks. Thankfully, I didn't see any bent push rods. I mean, it might be ever so slightly bent, but that was probably the ticking too. So another thing I could notice, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, you can see it pretty well. The coloring on the main journals of the cam, they're blue and yellow and purplish. So I did the number one thing you're not supposed to do with LS is when you pull the cam out is look at the bearings. Well, I'm not really in the middle of a swap. I was more like assessing the damage. I don't know if you can see on camera there again, but the bearings are showing some copper, which is letting me know that the cam bearings are smoked. Oh, there's my homemade DOD delete. Well, it's an ICT billet valley cover, but this was JB Weld instead of the bearings that people put in there, and that actually did pretty good. And it was funny, they actually all stuck to that. I wasn't anticipating that, but yeah, get it all ripped down here at my parents' house. Got everything in bags except for those lifters and trays, and yeah, so that was the culprit. So now I have to figure out what is the most cost-effective option. You can, obviously I got to pull the long block out, or short block now. So at minimum, it's going to need a new cam, one lifter, and some cam bearings. And it probably wouldn't hurt to put some rod bearings in it, but I had to check it out anyways. So that's what I'll be trying to figure out, and I'll let you guys know what I figure out.